Yeah, hello everyone. So today, so let us discuss about like if you want to join or if you want to switch any other companies. So what kind of questions they will ask in the interview perspective. So we'll try to understand like what kind of questions they will ask, and I would say uh, like for those questions how we can answer the answer for those questions. So we'll try to understand so these kind of scenarios. Okay, fine. Let's try to understand. So I'm first initially I would like try to take notepad. So the first question is, so initially I am covering from all interviews generally if you attend some other company, so they might be asked a few kind of questions, and if you attend the some big kind of what company, so they might be asked give the some kind of questions actually. Okay, so generally here, yeah. So the first question is, what is AEM? This is the first question now. What is AEM? AEM is a CMS tool and which is used to managing, and managing and deploying the websites and deploying the website. It is a Java related architecture or Apache, JSR and OSJ. Apache, JSR and OSJ. Before that, so the basic question, if you attend any interview, the basic question they will ask like, could you please introduce yourself? So in that case, how you can answer? Myself, Krishna. Total, I have 5 years of experience in IT industry, out of which 4 years in AEM, 1 year in Java, and I have worked on front end and back end as well. In back end, I have worked on uh, I have worked on uh, all the areas. Like I have worked on I would say event listeners, event handlers, content fragments, component creation, templates, experience fragment, content fragments, Sling models, Sling servlets, event listeners, event handlers, workflows, MSM. These are all the areas I have worked on. Also, I have worked on single page applications using React as the front end. Also, I have worked on Java integrated with e-commerce applications. So this is all my experience I have worked on. This is the basic introduction you have to tell. And once you are confident with that introduction, then the next question they will ask, what is AEM? Okay, AEM. What is AEM? AEM is a Adobe CMS tool which is used to building, managing, and deploying the websites and its services, and it is made up of with three frameworks which are OJ, Apache, and Chaser. Okay, fine. That is okay. Good. Next question they will ask, what is author instance? Next question they will ask. Next question they will ask, what is author instance? Author instance which is used to create, edit, and review the content which will be published in the future. And the default port number is 4502. So if you say like that, that is okay. Next question they will ask. Next question they will ask, what is publish instance? What is publish instance? If they will ask like the question like what is publish instance? Publish instance which is used to make make our design application available to the public. Like the port number is 4503. This is the question. The next question they will ask, what is a reverse replication? Reverse What is reverse replication? This is the question they will ask. Replications means the contents which is used to move the content or which is used to push the content from author instance to publish instance is called reverse replication. Replication agent. The content that can be moved from author instance to publish instance is called The replication is next. The question is, what is a reverse replication agent? A reverse replication agent. So reverse replication is the both or vice versa, and which is used to push the content from publish instance to other instance. Publish instance to other instance. Okay. Once you are familiar with this one, the next question they will ask, what is component? Component is a modular unit which is used to render the specific content on the page, and one component can hold other component also, and the component have the important properties like JSR title, and next I would say JSR title and CQ dialog, and with the one component can hold other components as well. So this is all about component. Next question they will ask, what is client libs? Client libs. So client libs, which is used to give client libs are the design which will give good feel and look to the website. And what are the important properties, and what are the important properties properties in the client libs? Client libs. The important properties in the client libs are, there are three, four properties: allow proxy, embed, dependency, and embed. Next question is, what is template? Template is blueprint for the page, and for creating the page, template is mandatory. Without template we cannot create the any pages. Without template we cannot create the any pages. So template is mandatory. Where does templates will be stored? The template types will be stored. Template types and templates will be stored in the config folder. Config folder. Next question is, what is content fragment? Content content fragments are the structured content are like images, title, description and all. We can create the content at one place, and that content we can reuse across the channels, across the multiple places. Next up, what is this experience fragment? What is experience fragment? Experience fragment is the reusable content which is also we can create at one place. That content we can reuse at multiple places. Next, 11th question is, what is the difference between content fragment and XF? So the content fragment is the DAM, experience fragment is the page. Content fragment will be stored in the content, and experience fragment will be stored in the content itself only. Next up, next question is, next they will ask the question like, what is sling model? Can you please explain sling model and its annotations? Okay. So sling model is the sling API, which is the one of the RESTful web framework which is created inside the AEM architecture, And the main purpose of Sling model is which is used to map the request to resource. Map the request to resource. Okay, what are the important annotations we have in Sling model? Like we have the at the rate inject, at the rate value map value, and at the rate inject, which is used to inject the individual values of the properties. And value map value is the annotation which is used to inject the key value pair. Key and value pair. Next, where we have the at the rate named which is used to inject the properties which are not acceptable by the Java, which is used to define the injection name. Next, what is Sling servlets? What is Sling servlet? Sling servlets are the normal Java classes. Servlets are the normal Java classes which will have the methods like init method, service method, destroy method, which will take the response, which will take the response, process the response, and return the. Which will take the request, process the request, and return the response. It's called Sling servlet. The Sling servlet we can list it in two ways. One is the path-based servlet, second one is the resource-based servlet. Path-based servlet is hard-coded, where resource-based servlet is the like we can get the data using resource. Okay, yeah, that we can get what is the how we can implement a normal Java class that we can convert into the at the rate component and service equal to servlet dot class. So like that we can write the servlet. Next link, next what is Sling model is okay. Next Sling servlet is okay. Next here we have the concept like what is OJ service and OJ component. So OIC component and service, these are all normal